Hello and welcome back. I wanted to give a short update on Arrived versus Realbricks. And there's a new platform called Fundrise. Let me know if you want me to tell you about Fundrise. Also, do let me know if you want me to go deeper in a comparison with all the new updates on Arrived versus Realbricks and the cons, because there are cons. Okay, let me know if you want those new videos or not. But I'll get into it and I'll be brief, okay? Realbricks and Arrived are fractional real estate platforms with similar entry points of $100, but different strategies. Yes, the price has gone up. The Realbricks 2026 update focuses on debt-free new construction and high-growth SFRs. What are SFRs? Single-family rentals, offering higher safety against interest rates, while Arrived offers a wider range of properties, including vacation rentals using leveraged debt. Realbricks versus Arrived, key updates and comparisons. Investment model. Realbricks uses a 100% debt-free model, which protects dividends from rising interest rates. Arrived properties are usually leveraged with mortgages, offering higher potential appreciation but more risk. Property type. Realbricks focuses on new construction and growth, SFR, single-family rentals. Arrived has a broader catalog, including vacation rentals. Dividend frequency. Both platforms generally offer quarterly dividends. Accessibility. Realbricks supports both iOS and Android. Arrived has historically been stronger on user experience, but with a less robust app for Android compared to iOS. Liquidity. Arrived has a secondary market for selling shares early, though it has a 6-month minimum hold-in fees. Realbricks provides options to sell shares, often seen as a key differentiator. Remember, it was more difficult in the beginning to access your funds, so they tried to make it easier to do so. Key updates and takeaways. Realbricks Update 2026, partnering with builders for new construction to secure better deals. Focuses on high growth areas like Princeton and Texas. Arrived Update 2026. Popular properties can sell out within hours. Performance. Realbricks aims to provide a safer income stream due to the lack of debt. Arrived, according to older data, has shown strong historical appreciation. The bottom line is, Realbricks is better for conservative investors avoiding debt, while Arrived is better for variety and those seeking higher leverage for appreciation. The higher the risk, the bigger the payout. Remember that. Thank you for listening. I hope the update helped you. But let me know again if you want more detailed videos on Arrived, Realbricks, and this new platform. Okay? Thank you for watching. And as always, God bless you and God bless you.